Hey everyone, Kyle Lewis here from the Worship Keyboard Tutorial YouTube channel. Lord, I Need You is a great worship song, but there's one section in there that's a bit tricky to play even if you have the music. So we're going to find out where that section is and how we can conquer it. So the section I'm referring to is the bridge, and the reason it's tricky is because it toggles back and forth between a 3/4 and a 4/4. Now, to follow along when someone else is leading this feels pretty natural, but that's because they've nailed this counting. But when we're leading and we're playing, we really have to be spot on when it comes to the counting. So I'm going to show you the technique that I use to get me through these tricky passages. So the thing that helps me in this passage is to find the words that fall in the downbeat of the 4/4 measure. So let's find that first one. So teach my song to rise to you. That word you falls on the downbeat of the 4/4. So I'm going to use that as the focus of my counting. 2, 3, 4. And all the words in the chords previously, I'm just going to let carry me up to that point. So teach my song to rise to you, 2, 3, 4. Then I get to my next section, when temptation comes my way. The word way is the next word that falls in the downbeat of the 4/4. Way, 2, 3, 4. And when I cannot stand, I'll fall on you. So I have another you that falls in the downbeat of that 4/4. Jesus, you're my hope and stay. Stay is the next word. Now sometimes it's a little bit syncopated, but I'm still going to use those words as an anchor to focus on the counting of that 4/4. Then that little section repeats. When I cannot stand, I'll fall on you. Jesus, you're my hope and stay. So that's the technique I use to get me through that tricky little passage, and I hope this is a help to you as well. If you got some value out of this video, would you click that like button and consider subscribing to this channel? You can also support this channel by clicking the link below and becoming a Patreon member. This enables me to continue to create content and upgrade and maintain my equipment like cameras, microphones, etc. And before you sign off, make sure to check out some of these other videos. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you next time. Bye.